Hiya, today in this video we are about to discuss the Fetison's reagent, which is nothing but silver carbonate in presence of sealite. Sealite is nothing but a silicon material. It does the chemoselective oxidation of alcohols. For better understanding, please don't skip this video and watch till the end. Before starting, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe to get notified. Let's begin. Silver carbonate is useful for small scale oxidations. Why? Because the products are usually recovered in high purity by simply filtering the Ag0 and evaporating the solvent. The ease of alcohol oxidation follows the following trend. The allylic is greater than benzylic is greater than secondary alcohol is greater than primary alcohol. Highly hindered OH groups are not oxidized. If the alcohol group is highly hindered, it is not oxidized. The sealite, which is a trademark, is a common commercially available inorganic material which is mostly of silicon dioxide. Generally, this sealite finds the use as a filtering aid. Let's see some examples. See, this is the primary alcohol and this is the secondary alcohol. It chemoselectively oxidizes the secondary alcohol and not the primary alcohol. The Ag2CO3 in presence of sealite is the Fetison's reagent. It does the reaction only in the solvents like benzene. You see, this is the symmetric molecule. We have two secondary alcohols. This is also the secondary alcohol and this is also the secondary alcohol. If two secondary alcohols are present, it just oxidizes any one of the secondary alcohol to ketone. See, it oxidizes only one alcohol to ketone. See this example. This is the secondary alcohol and this is the tertiary alcohol. In presence of Fetison's reagent, which is nothing but silver carbonate in presence of sealite, the benzene is a solvent used. We are reflexing this one. It chemoselectively oxidizes the secondary alcohol only. See, this is the secondary alcohol which is oxidized to ketone and not the tertiary alcohol. The tertiary alcohol remains unreacted. You see this is the secondary alcohol which is a lactol. It is just a simply secondary alcohol and this is the lactol. It oxidizes the lactol and not the secondary alcohol. You see this example. You are having this alcohol over here and this is the primary alcohol and this is the secondary alcohol. It oxidizes only the secondary alcohol and not the primary alcohol. It is in presence of silver nitrate and sealite. The benzene is a solvent used here. You see here, this is the lactol which is near to the epoxide. The OH is nearby epoxide which is called lactol. It oxidizes actively, which is chemoselectively oxidizes the lactol and it does not oxidize the secondary alcohol. You see this example. The alcohol which is present over here is oxidized to ketone chemoselectively in presence of Fetison's reagent. The Fetison's reagent is nothing but Ag2CO3 in presence of sealite. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share to your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. If you want me to take any particular reagent, please leave it in the comment box. Have a good day.